Hello to all my car guru shoppers out there. Hopefully your car shopping experience has been a good one. This is car guru Corey Wade, right here at Bellamy Strickland Chevrolet Buick GMC, right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today I wanted to go ahead and grab this one really quick. It's a recent trade-in. There's 15, 16 of the salespeople here. So I wanted to grab this as quickly as I could and shoot a quick video and send it out to any car guru shopper that's in the market for a well-kept, well-maintained truck under 15,000. Okay, this right here is a 2012 Nissan Titan. It got 133,000 miles on the odometer. We'll take a little closer look in just a second. And it's a 4-wheel drive. It's the SV trim level, if I remember correctly. Take another look here. Yes, SV trim level. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at it real quick. So if you're in the market for an inexpensive truck, you found you one. So let's dive right on in and take a look. So this is a 2012 Nissan Titan. This guy has the 5.6 V8. Okay. Got the fog lamps down at the bottom. We're gonna pop the hood here. This is a 5.6 V8, and she sounds absolutely magnificent under the hood. Give you about 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of rear end torque. Has a huge fuel tank as well. Has about a 28-gallon fuel tank. You still got some good tread on those tires, alloy wheels. Those are 18-inch wheels, the driver's side. Now, it hasn't been cleaned up yet, so let's see. As far as you got a little, maybe a little nick right there, but other than that, needs a good little wash. But let me see. Driver's side looks fabulous. Besides a few little cosmetic little scratches here and there that can be buffed out, and a little ding, a little small, about the size of a. Probably can see it in the video, but about the size of maybe a penny. The cloth seats here, no rips, no tears. We'll make our way to the back in just a second. Most importantly, no smoke smell. Power locks, windows. Let's see. This is a CD changer here. I don't see a backup camera, but I do hear the rear park assist sensor making the beeping noise there. Let's see here. CD changer, single air, 133,000, 071 miles. Look like you have Bluetooth here, cruise control. You have a power sliding rear window that goes up and down like so. All right. AC blows cold. The heat works as well. And it's a clean Carfax. Just 2 previous owners. The first one was a personal lease out of Georgia, and then second owner had about 8 years. So. All right, let's take a look at the rear. Real clean floorboard here. Guess I'm gonna have to go on that other side to let that seat down. Let's see. Look like that's the jack here. Rear air, couple cup holders down there. Very spacious interior. Let's see here. Lift this seat up and see what's all up under here. Okay. All right. Let that down there. Let's see. Okay, so that do fold down flat. That do fold down. Okay. All right. So the seat folds up and it folds down from the top there. This looks like a short box here. crew cab, short box, tow package. So like I said, this is a 4-wheel drive. So you can pull up to about 9,500 pounds with this truck here. Kind of a little spray-in bed liner. Passenger side, got a little scrape there. But besides this little scrape and that little ding over there, a few little scratches here and there, this truck is in great condition. Let's see. That rear seat looks good. And finally, let's do the front view here. Look like your literature. All right, so 2015 Nissan Titan. No, I'm sorry, 2012. 2012 Nissan Titan. That was the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado that I shot earlier. So 2012 Nissan Titan 5.6 V8. Got 133,000 miles. Right here at Bellamy Strickland, clean Carfax, inexpensive truck. So if you feel like this one, put it into your shopping. I'll be glad to see you in the video, send you the Carfax, and send you some out the door numbers. All right. Well, I surely appreciate the time. Thanks for watching. Thank you.